going to replace the old reflectors today, and I'm doing one side and then the other side. Doing it single-handed because I'm filming with the other hand. Fit great. I love this Weber. This Weber is 8 years old. This is the second time I'm replacing these flavor bars. I think they're called. I called them reflectors, but I really think they're flavor bars. They do get rusted over time, and I do clean the grill, scrape off things, and I'm going to replace these. So those are in place. They fit great. These are going to go in the trash. Single-handed is not the easiest here. There we go. Now I'll do this side. But you get the idea. These are the old ones. Some are actually rusted in places right through, or gonna be rusted shortly. Almost every single one of them is a little bit rusted. Fit perfect. There we have it. Fit in place. There we go.